How to insert tables in MS Word. Tables. Tables are used to organize data in rows and columns. Here you can see a picture of a table in which the data is organized in rows and columns to make it clear and understandable form, because in table form the data looks arranged in more organized form. Now let's move towards MS Words to see how can we create tables in MS Word. So students, here we are in MS Word, and as you can see that it is a blank document. Now I am going to insert a table in this document. We can insert tables in two ways. First, click on Insert tab, click on Table. Now a grid appear. Here you can see I can select the required rows and columns according to my need. Okay, here I am going to create a table of 3 columns and 4 rows. Select 3 columns and 4 rows and click. Here you can see a table of 3 columns and 4 rows has been appeared in your document. So student, this is called table resize handle, and by clicking on it I can easily adjust the size of the table. Now I am going to insert the data in the table. Students, now I will use the tab key to move between the cells, or you can also use the arrow keys for moving among the cells, or I can adjust the column width by simply dragging it. Okay, now I'm going to fill the data. Now as you can see that the table has been created and the data has been filled. Now the time is to apply the formatting. So select the main heading row, click on Home tab, bold, increase the heading size, font size, and bring it in between, and now select the whole data of the table, increase its font size. As you can see that I have set its font size to the 14, and also you can change its font style from there. Now I want to bring this text in between of the cell. For this I will just click on the layout tab. Now you can find here an alignment group, and you can see the multiple options of the text within the cell. So I'm going to select align center. This option will bring my text in the center of the cell. So students, here you can see that a table has been created and we have filled up the data and apply basic formatting here. So this was our first method of inserting table. Now we are going to insert the table from our second method, and for that again I have clicked on the Insert tab. Now click on Table, and first I have to put my cursor on the point where I want to insert the table. Okay, so below this my table I'm going to create a new table. So I have to put my insertion point. This is my insertion point where my cursor is moving right now at this time. So now I'm going to click on Insert tab, then Table, and then Insert Table. Click on this option, Insert Table. A small dialog box appears in front of you. What you have just to do is to set the number of columns and the number of rows according to your need. For example, I am going to create a table of 6 rows and 8 columns, so I will increase its number from there Now you can see that I have set the number of columns 6 and number of rows 8. Then click on OK. Now you can see that here 6 column and 8 rows table has been appeared here. So from this point, resize handle, this is called resize handle, I can adjust the size of the table according to my need. Okay, and this is the point from where you can select the whole table. This option will work when you are going to apply the formatting to the whole table. Okay, so this is the second method from which we have seen that a table can also be created by this method, and I can adjust manually the column width from there. As you can see that I am increasing and decreasing the column width according to my need. So it's up to you whether you are going to use this option. Okay, insert table. From this grid you can create your own table, or from the insert table.